Hello, folks. Before we get started with digital detox and mental wellness, I invite you to work with my internet coaches, Trevor Carr, Max Gerstenmeier, and Fergal Downs, three very accomplished digital marketers in their own right. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review of digital detox and mental wellness. You can grab that product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 4 mega bonuses. Now, they include affiliate marketing made easy, which shows you the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates, including a list of resources, articles for your benefit. Bonus number 2, you can access our full-length 28 videos from our executive series. And each video is professionally designed and includes an introduction, a content roadmap, and discussion points. And bonus number 3 is Man Up Men, Take Care of Yourself PLR Bundle. Now, this is a deep dive into why men have difficulty balancing their lifestyle and what they can do about it. It includes a 15K ebook, 48 man-up tips, references, 10 articles, free images, 3 infographics, 4 posters, checklists, email follow-up, sales material, and a further 6 bonuses. So that's 10 bonuses altogether, folks. And bonus number 4 is about the changing workplace and how leaders influence change, and that is a PLR package. And it provides practical strategies, constructive approaches, and ways to engage people to make positive changes. And from Sejan, you also get 4 fast action bonuses. And they include meditation, chakras healing, PLR, a PLR handbook, sales funnel training. And so that's, at least 14 bonuses altogether. That's why I call it a mega bonus. The vendor of this product is Sejan Alfenthor, who is an elite content coach, creator, and a product. And this is one of his products for coaches, course creators, and online marketers. Now, I've purchased courses from Sejan in the past, and I would recommend this product as well. In a nutshell, digital detox and mental wellness is a full PLR product that you can brand as your own, and it's not a one, but it's your own, and reap the rewards. Things you should know about this product? Well, it is a PLR, so it's completely edible. You can rebrand it, revamp it, and put your name on it as an author. You have the choice. After all, it's PLR. You will be able to tap into a massive global audience in the personal and development niche. It's an evergreen niche, and you can use it for your membership sites, your blogs, or split the content for multiple uses. Now, you will discover with this product how to perform, or why you must perform a digital detox regularly to protect your mental health. 3 effective techniques that you can use to determine if you are about to suffer digital overload. 5 simple but powerful strategies for incorporating offline activities in your life easily, which will provide you with a crucial digital balance. You'll learn 4 proven techniques that you can easily implement to identify and address digital habits that can cause serious harm over time. And you'll learn major mental health benefits that a successful detox can bring. And you'll learn much, much more. Now, at the front end, you'll receive a premium quality ebook, a 5 ebook covers, a workbook, cheat sheet, a sales letter, a thank you page, a sales video promo, a full set of professionally designed graphics, high converting promotional email swipes, 10 high impact social media image packs, and short video license pack, plus private label rights license and the fast action bonuses. Now, that's all for $14.95 to $19.95. Now, I would suggest that you get in early to get the $14.95 price tag. There are 3 OTOs, one for $37, another one for $77, and another one for $127. Now, some of those OTOs are about videos and video sales. So I would take a hard look at them. Watch for the downsells. You'll save some money, but you'll get less product, and you may even get less product. Now, if you need to know more, you click that second link below and get the full story. And don't forget my mega bonuses. Affiliate marketing made easy. Access to your full-length 28 videos from our executive series. Man Up Men. Take care of yourself. PLR bundle. By the way, this is a good supplement to the to this particular product. Bonus number 4, the changing workplace and how leaders influence change, PLR package. And from Sejan, the 4 fast action bonuses. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and consider this product for you or for your clients. Now, have a great day. See you again next time.